BMW X models now outsell passenger cars in Australia, so there's your answer as to whether this, the new BMW X4, is an important model to the brand in Australia. We're at the international launch of the new X4 in South Carolina. In fact, we're at the BMW plant in Spartanburg, the biggest plant they have anywhere in the world. Here are some of our thoughts on the new X4 after our first drive. Styling is subjective, and I've never been a huge fan of the SUV coupe thing, but people seem to love the BMW X4. Pumped rear quarters, fat rubber and the M Sport package, which will be standard for Australia, help it to stand out in a sea of same SUVs. The X4's cabin feels as premium as you'd expect, but it will need to be, with pricing rumoured to start from 75 grand right up to 110,000. We love the inductive charging system. The infotainment is exceptional with its smartphone integration, and the head-up display is as good as any in the segment. Visibility and interior comfort are both first-rate, even with the sloping roofline in the second row. While buyers will be attracted to the X4 for styling reasons, it's got practicality covered too and can do double duty as a family SUV. Despite the fact that most SUVs won't go anywhere near a racetrack, BMW engineers are adamant the X4 must feel like a real BMW. As such, the steering, the handling and the braking are all exceptional for the SUV class. The X4 feels rear-wheel drive biased in sport mode at the limit too, and that makes it fun to drive. Despite the way the X4 can perform on track, it's comfortable too, with adaptive dampers working a treat in the real world. We'll have Australian pricing closer to launch, so keep checking Car Advice for details. In the meantime, let us know what you think of the new BMW X4 in the comments section below.